Hi math lovers, welcome back to the Adewunmi Math Hub where math meets simplicity. For time being, I will be preparing JAMB students for the upcoming JAMB 2025 examination, and I will be running through the JAMB syllabus. It has 5 sections. We have the number and numeration, we have the algebra, we have the geometry and trigonometry, and we have the differentiation, the calculus, and lastly, statistics. Under number and numeration, we have number base, fraction, approximation, and percentage, indices, logarithm, and sorts, sets. Those are the topics under the first section. Under the second section, which is the algebra, we have polynomials, variation, inequalities, progression, binary operations, matrices, and determinants. The third section, which is the geometry and trigonometry, we have the Euclidean geometry, mensuration, loci, coordinate geometry, and lastly trigonometry. Then we have the number 4 section, which is calculus. That will be treating differentiation and its application. Then we move to integration. Lastly, we will be treating statistics. Under that, we'll be doing representation of data, measures of location, measures of dispersion, and lastly, probability. Please be assured that you will enjoy every bit of the classes. And for those of you that are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification for every of our videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.